you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go.
And finally, guys, we have an apartment tour. Yay! Anyways, if you're just coming across the channel for the very first time, my name is Fave Opera and I am a Nigerian-based content creator currently traveling Africa. And do well to hit the subscribe button so you join us here, okay? Hello, bonjour, bonsoir. Welcome to Mary's guest house, guys, and I'm going to show you around. And if you're in Togo, specifically in Lome, you definitely want to check out this guest house because you guys, customer service is top notch. In fact, everything is so nice. So let me take you around. Welcome. Now this is the living area, or you can call it the parlor as we call it in Nigeria. This is what it looks like. Now let's go upstairs. Afaba. Now, I'm going to be giving you a tour of what the different rooms in this guest house looks like. You could call it a guest house, you could call it an inn, but yeah, they have different rooms ranging from different prices. This is the first room I'm going to be showing you. And of course, trust me to give you all the details you'll be needing. The pricing, the contacts, or the link to where you can book it on bookings.com, which would be in the description section, okay? So check it. Now, here's a tour of what our room looked like when we came in yesterday.
This is the cheapest room. This is not the cheapest.
15,000.
This is 15,000.
No, this one is 30.
Yes, this our room actually costs 30,000 sefa. So you just do the conversion to your own home currency, you know, your country's currency, because here in Togo they use the sefa, that's the franc sefa. So if it's a Nigerian conversion, as at when I visited, I think the conversion was around 1,000 naira to 450 sefa. Yeah, or it could be, you know, it could vary to 1,000 naira to 500 sefa. So just check the conversion rate at that point and then you do all the conversion. That's why you saw me yesterday at the, you know, reception spot trying to do a lot of conversion from sefa to naira to euro, because that's what's on the website, then dollars to cedis, just to try to, you know, understand and get used to what their currency it's all about. Okay, so yeah, this is what our restroom looks like, and afterwards I'm going to be showing you the other rooms, the kitchen, the dining area, and other amenities that you definitely would love to see. And if you got to this part of the video, please hit the like button, okay? Share to someone you know would enjoy this video, and also help someone plan their trip to Togo so they don't get stranded. Okay, now let's go. Cuando te veo, deseo tu cuerpo, más que tu tiempo, y como te digo,
Quiero ser amigos, bésame un ratito, bésame un ratito, un ratito. Quiero estar contigo un poquito, un poquito. Tu cuerpo y el mío pegadito, pegadito. Si jugas conmigo, cuidadito, cuidadito. Vamos con el ritmo suavecito, suavecito. Yo quiero estar contigo un poquito, un poquito. Tu cuerpo y el mío pegadito, pegadito. Si jugas conmigo, cuidadito, cuidadito. Vamos con el ritmo suavecito, suavecito. Pasa la botella, estás aquí y no con ella. Sé que crees que yo soy bella, hoy soy tuya, aprovecha. No cambié de esa manera, me gusta cuando me celan. Sé que yo valgo la pena, ya olvídate de ella. Quiero estar contigo un poquito, un poquito. Tu cuerpo y el mío pegadito, pegadito. Si jugas conmigo, cuidadito, cuidadito. Vamos con el ritmo suavecito, suavecito. Yo quiero estar contigo un poquito, un poquito. Tu cuerpo y el mío pegadito, pegadito. Si jugas conmigo, cuidadito, cuidadito. Vamos con el ritmo suavecito, suavecito. Y yo no te conozco bien, bésame sin querer, aunque sea única vez. Y tú y yo no puede ser, vamos a pasarla bien por última vez. Quiero estar contigo un poquito, un poquito. Tu cuerpo y el mío pegadito, pegadito. Si jugas conmigo, cuidadito, cuidadito. Vamos con el ritmo suavecito, suavecito. Yo quiero estar contigo un poquito, un poquito. Tu cuerpo y el mío pegadito, pegadito. Si jugas conmigo, cuidadito, cuidadito. Vamos con el ritmo suavecito, suavecito. Quiero estar contigo un poquito, un poquito. Tu cuerpo y el mío pegadito, pegadito. Si jugas conmigo, cuidadito, cuidadito. Vamos con el ritmo suavecito, suavecito. Yo quiero estar contigo un poquito, un poquito. Tu cuerpo y el mío pegadito, pegadito. Si jugas conmigo, cuidadito, cuidadito. Vamos con el ritmo suavecito, suavecito.
Well, as you can see, I think this is quite different, like from that of ours. Take a look at the restroom, the room, the bed, the net, the design of the bed frame, the seats, the wooden, should I say kaftan seats, and it also has a fridge. See the wardrobe, it's quite different, and this is more expensive, which is I think around 50,000 sefa a year. So but you use the link that I'm going to post, so get all the information you are going to be needing about these different rooms. Now let's head to the kitchen and dining area, and you guys, this is more exciting, or should I say this is the exciting part for me. You guys, they have an all-inclusive breakfast every morning. Like throughout your stay here, you're going to be given breakfast free, of course. Yeah, and you're going to be served like a queen and king that you are. Trust me. They have Wi-Fi too. They have TV where you can even watch Nigerian movie if you love Nigerian movie, because they have different channels. It's not just like French kind of movies you'll see here. But then this video will not be complete if I don't emphasize and re-emphasize the customer service, guys. Like throughout my stay, in fact in all the countries I visited, the welcome in here was top notch. Reason I took out time to give this tour. So guys, make sure you hit the like button, share this video, and definitely check this guest house out anytime you're in Lome, Togo. I totally recommend, like it's 100 over 100. Bye for now.